Good morning, ma'am. Today we will do about the eye care. What do you mean by eye care? Eye care is
Cleaning the eyes with aseptic technique of small children, unconscious patient and patient with disease condition of eye is known as eye care.
So what is the indication? Who is the patient which need eye care? So one is the small children, one is the unconscious patient, one is the disorder of the eye. There will be a disorder like disease condition of the eye such as the conjunctivitis, flu-like. At that time we will do the care of the eye, or even we will clean the eye after the surgery also. So this is the what is the main point which will what is the purpose of eye care? One is the to clean the eyes.
To clean the eyes, if one eye is affected, always clean the unaffected eye first and then clean the affected eye.
Firstly, we will discuss about the purpose of eye clean. So first purpose is to clean the eye, second is to prevent the infection, and third one is to prevent the further complications. We will keep some point in our mind, that is the point to be remembered. The first point is that first we will clean that eye which is less affected. Yeah, that is the unaffected eye. Then we will clean the affected eye. Next point is we will clean the eye from the inner canthus to the outer canthus. And third one, clean the eye till there will be a totally clear the any discharge over the eyes. Next point is
use only one swab for one stroke.
This is also the principle. He use one stroke for a one time. And next one is
in case of children, restrain the head, legs and arms of the children.
So if this is the children, so we will hold the head like that and restrain the arms. We will take the assistant with the other person. So you will hold the arm like that over the chest and hold the head like that. Then we will put the eye drop into the eye. And next we will not touch the eye drops or tube over the any part of the eye because it become infected. So this is the main point which we will keep in our mind before starting the procedure. So now we will discuss the step of the procedure. So first is preparation of the nurse. As you know, that is the physical preparation as well as the mental preparation. In physical preparation, you know, the hair should be tidy, dress should be neat and clean, and there should be no ornaments or and there's a mental preparation in that she has a thorough knowledge regarding the eye care. When we are doing the eye care, to have a thorough knowledge regarding the eye care, have a positive attitude toward the patient, that is we will give the less harm to the patient and give the more benefit to the. And second preparation is the preparation of the articles. In eye care, the following articles are needed for the when we are doing the eye care. So one is the gloves which are used to prevent the cross infection, and one is the sterile drum in which we will put some eye pads and bandage for bandaging of the eyes. This is the eye drops which are used to installation of the drops into the eyes as per the doctor order. This is the sanitizer. It is used for prevention of the infection. This is the bowl which contains the swabs. It is boiled in a water and put into the bowl. It is used to clean off the eye. This is the kidney tray which are used to collect the wet waste. This is the paper bag which are used to collect the dry waste. This is the towel which are used to dry the extra of medication which are come out from the eyes. So next step, next is the preparation of the patient. So this is our patient. आपका नाम क्या था? सत्याराम. दिस इज आवर पेशेंट, नेम इज सत्याराम. इनकी जो आईज की सर्जरी हुई है, तो आज हम आपकी आंख को क्लीन भी करना चाहते हैं और इसमें दवाई भी डालना चाहते हैं. क्या हम डाल सकते हैं? अब आपका दर्द कैसा है?
कम थोड़ा.
अच्छा, कौन सी वाली आईज में आपको ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम है? ये वाली, और इसमें आपको कम प्रॉब्लम. सो नाउ वी विल द स्टेप ऑफ द प्रोसीजर. फर्स्ट वी विल टेक दिस sanitizer to do the dry hand washing. After that we will wear the gloves.
Start करो.
And we will clean the eyes. First we will pick up the bowl to top. नीचे take this wrap. किसने बनाया? उसने बनाई. we will squeeze it. First we will clean. कौन से आइज का ऑपरेशन हुआ है? इसका हुआ है इन अनअफेक्टेड आई. सो बंद करना प्लीज. सो वी विल क्लीन इनर कैंथर टू दी outer canthar. So we will put it here and we will take another swab. So we will clean like that. We will use one stroke in one minute. We will clean the lower eyes. Then we will clean the upper eyelid in one stroke. Then we will clean the affected eye. We will clean first inner canthar to outer canthar. It should be in one stroke. Like that. After that, open eye. We will hold the eye. How we will hold that? We will put the thumb over the upper eyelid like that, or one index finger in the lower eyelid, and we will open the eye like that. And we will put the eye drops. Dropper should not touch the eyelid, any part of the eye. So we will put the eye drops like that. We will told the patient open your eyes for some time. Ointment भी डालते हो आप इसमें. Come from the eyes, then you will clean with the help of gauze piece. Okay. This is about the eye care. After care of the eye, you will terminate your article. You will wash it, sterile it, clean it, sterile it, and replace it for next step. Every time you will boil this eye bowl for next patient for their eye care. So this is about the eye care. Next the eye regarding the health education. So बाबा जी आपने रोज पहले अपनी आंख को पानी से धोना है ना. पहले एक बारी में एक बार रुई लेके एक बार में यहाँ से साफ यहाँ के लिए करना है. ठीक है. नाक की तरफ से कान की तरफ करना है ताकि, और एक ही स्ट्रोक में करना है. एक बार में एक बार ही साफ करना है. दोबारा वो रुई वापस नहीं लानी है. ठीक है. फिर इन्फेक्शन हो जाएगा. तो पहले आपने वो वाली आंख साफ करनी है जिसमें आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. ठीक है. फिर आपने वो वाली करनी है जहाँ पे आपको थोड़ा सा इन्फेक्शन है. उसके बाद आपने किसी की हेल्प लेके अपनी आंख को खोलना है और उसमें साइड से जो है दवाई डालनी है. थोड़ी देर के लिए अपनी आंख को खुला रखना है ताकि उसमें दवाई जो है अच्छे से चली जाए, पूरे में फैल जाए दवाई. तो दिस इज अबाउट द हेल्थ एजुकेशन रिगार्डिंग द आई केयर.
Thank you, ma'am.